Hi, my name's Andrew Wilson, and I'm the owner of the Gutter Guys. I wanted to take a second here to give some very much deserved recognition to my marketing guy, Josh Fulfer. And I remember vividly sitting on my table after coming up with my business plan and getting all the materials and tools that I needed to start my business, coming to the conclusion that I needed a marketing guy. I needed someone to be able to work hand in hand with and to be able to get me leads. I got every phone call from Home Advisors and Angie's List and everybody else along that line, and every single one of them was very difficult to speak with, wanted a whole bunch of money up front, wanted you to pay for every single lead whether it worked out or not, and it was just a mess. I got a different person every time they called, and then literally 3 days after I had came to that conclusion at my table, Josh called me. And we had an hour-long conversation, and he promised a whole lot. And I remember getting off that phone call and saying that there was no way that it would be possible for him to deliver on what he had just told me. It's a year later now, year and a half later now, and Josh has everything he promised he has delivered on and then some. I just had 137 phone calls last month, and that's all due to Josh. That means I did nothing. Josh takes care of my website. It gives me a platform for customers to be able to leave reviews about my business. It allows me to track my business, and I simply pay Josh, and he does all the work. So I highly recommend Josh, and I highly would recommend if you're starting a business and you came to the same conclusion that I came to, which is the obvious one and the biggest one of them all, which is how are you going to get work? Give Josh Fulfer a call, and he will tell you if he can help you or if he cannot help you. Thank you for your time, and thank you, Josh, for all that you do for me.